All right, well, everybody. So we are about to talk about Bitcoin right now. It is August 8th, 2018. And from what I see here is price currently is obviously on a downtrend. It's been on a downtrend for a while. And if anything, I think it's going to continue to go on that downtrend all the way until this daily key level that we have here. And if anything, retest this area right here. Okay, so let's go to the H4 time frame. We see that this area right here was respected. And then if I was to see, price pushed up, pushed up, pushed up, and it's pushing down hard. If anything, price has got into this area right here and, kind of back, but I think it's going to keep on going down. So we have this, this thing right here. Right, and what I realized is price, if anything, passed through that, through this, it's called market profile, passed through this area, and closed past it, and I'm like, you know what, most likely it's going to keep on going all the way to my monthly, to my technically monthly, but my daily key level, right, and that correlates with this right here. So I'm like, okay. If that's the case, then I believe price is going to go down to this area. So I got into my entry, right? I got into my entry at this point right here, and currently price is down here. So we're up a good amount, right? I believe price is going to continue going south, right? And I just believe it's going to go down to this area at 5,890. I think that's where we're at on Bitcoin. At that point, price is probably going to bounce off, and if anything, go back to 6,690, right? And if that's the case, man, it's going to be beautiful. But from there, I really don't know exactly where else, but I think that's where we're at right now. So hopefully this helps you out a little bit. If you want to know about market profile, you have to have a pro account with TradingView. And you go to indicators, you go to volume profile, and then from there go to session volume. And then once you go into that area, you go to settings, make sure your settings look exactly like this for the style, and then make sure your inputs are exactly like this for the inputs, right? So hopefully this helped you out. If you have any questions, leave a comment at the bottom. If if you have any ideas of future videos that I can be able to make in the future, if anything, leave a comment as well. Share this video. Subscribe to the YouTube. If you have one or more videos as well, you can go into fxpronow.com, and I'll see you soon.